Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Anbreen Tech. This is Anbreen and today I'm going to tell you about one of an amazing digital product that has actually smashed the graphic designing softwares like Photoshop, Capture One Pro, Canva and many other well-known softwares where people have been struggling for creating their desired images, animations, different illustrations in order to give a message or to attract the customers on their landing pages, websites, blogs, e-commerce stores and many other places on the digital ecosystem. This all happens in this software only on the basis of the text you enter into it. This software is known as AI Graphics Creator. And the good news is it has recently been launched. Before jumping into the more details about this product, let me share with you some of the free bonuses that I have for you. Link is in the description box. Go and check it out. So guys, how fantastic it would be to create graphics images or photos for your audience, and it does not require you to be expert in graphics field. This way you can avoid wasting time or stop thinking of hiring any graphics professional. You can easily think for engaging your audience, generate leads and drive sales so easily. And the credit goes to this software and of course the mega-minded creator of this software. To give a better insight about this product, I am going to show you a demo video where you will be able to see how far easily and friendly this software is and how amazingly it is taking headache for the complex graphics options. Join me to watch this demo video. So guys, if you are a newbie and you do not have any skill in graphics design for your blogs, websites, or maybe you are a software developer, e-commerce holding business, this done for you system is for you. Grab this product from the link down in the description box and enjoy unlimited and instant text to graphics illustrations with few clicks. The decision is in your hand. You can have a look into the link that is in the description box. If you have any queries or you want to ask any information, then you can comment down in the description box. I will see you in the next video on the same channel. Till then, bye.